guess where I'm at? You're right. I'm at Vocational High School 1 Wonosobo. My name is Junetta PUTRI, and I'm from 10 MPLB 2. Now, I will tell you a little things about my major. So, it's MPLB, right? MPLB is Office Management and Business Service. Students can learn about how you handling your documents, customer service, HR, basic accounting, and there's so many types you can learn here. But before I tell you more, I will show you how beautiful my school is. Come and see.
So, the first one is the food court. This is a lively space with various food stalls offering affordable meals and snacks. It's a social hub where students relax and connect during breaks. Meanwhile, the canteen provides a simpler, budget-friendly meals equipped with tables and benches. It furthers a cozy.
Wait, talking about food courts and canteen making me hungry. What about we switch it up and head up to the library?
The Widya Dana Pratapa Library is a treasure trove of textbooks, references, and novels. The library features comfortable seating, dedicated study zones, and modern computer stations, making it a perfect spot for students to research, collaborate, or dive into a captivating read. We also have a water refill machine so that when we are thirsty, we can get a drink practically. Now I will talk about MPLB.
MPLB, which stands for Manajemen Perkantoran dan Layanan Bisnis, is focused on equipping students with the skills and knowledge necessary for effective office administration and business service. To bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application, MPLB programs often incorporate practical training components. For instance, the development of virtual laboratories, such as Leadership, provides students with hands-on experience in archiving and document management, aligning with the demands of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era. Graduates of the MPLB program are well prepared for various roles in the business sector, including 1. Administration, managing office tasks like organizing files, scheduling, and supporting office operation, key skills, organization, and time management. 2. Receptionist, welcomes visitors, answers calls, and handles front office tasks. Key skills, communication, and multitasking. 3. Customer service, assists customers with false issues and ensures satisfaction. Key skills, problem solving, and patience. 4. Entrepreneurship, starting and managing a business. Key skills, leadership, and creativity.
My school has 8 departments, such as 1. Computer and Network Engineering, 2. Software Development and Game Design, 3. Visual Communication Design, 4. Accounting and Financial Management, 5. Office Automation and Governance, 6. Online Business and Marketing, 7. Tourism Service, and last but not least is Culinary. That's all from me and see you!